Hey everyone, and so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to pin a product on TikTok Shop Live. So of course, you'll need access to TikTok Shop Creator Program, which requires you to have at least 5,000 followers. Next, you're going to click on this plus button in the middle. You need to have products added to your showcase in order to actually add them to your live stream. So on the bottom left-hand side, you want to click on products and then click on add products. And then this is basically all the products in your showcase. So you can see these are all the products that I've planned to promote either previously before or I want to promote now. So right now, let's say I want to promote this cartoon print hooded blanket, or let's choose something that I actually have. We'll say we'll decide to promote this Govee TV backlight, okay? So you can click on the add button, and now once you click on products, you can see that I have these solid drawstring joggers added, and then also this Govee ambient portable table lamp added. The next thing is that when you go live, so I'm going to go live for like a couple seconds and show you how to pin a product just to help you out. When you go live, you want to make sure that you actually pin the product as well. So we'll go live right now. 3, 2, 1. Now in order to actually pin the product, you want to click on shop and then click on pin. All right, and you can only pin one product at a time, but I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, do let me know down below.